Hi, my name is Camdyn from Aurora Middle School, and today we are doing hands-on equations. Let's go. Okay, so first, I want to explain to you what the pawns mean. So we've got a blue pawn right here, which equals x. We've got a white pawn right here, which also equals x, except it's the opposite of x. Together, they make a pair of zero. And then I've got a green cube here, which equals negative, and I have a red cube here, which equals positive. So this equals a negative whole number, and this equals a positive whole number. I know, it's confusing because this one's green, right? And you're like, oh, that would be positive. But guess what? It's not. So, just thought I'd tell you what the pawns mean. Now, let's get into the video. Let's go. Yo, peeps. So, first problem. 4x plus 3 equals 2x plus 7. Let's do it. So first, you're going to want to take away these two pawns. So we're going to bring in 2 on each side. So those make a pair of 0. Then you can pair 0 here too. Okay. So now we're going to want to get rid of this 3. So how we're going to do that is we're going to bring in a negative 3 on each side. So now this makes a pair of 0. And this would leave you with positive 2. So let me find a positive 2. So now you'd have 2x equals 2. Okay, dudes. So our next problem is the opposite of 3x plus 2 equals negative 10 plus x. Okay, so to do pairs of 0, we're going to have to bring in a white on each side. So I'll add a white here, and I will add a white there. Oh, that fell over. Gosh, dang it. Okay, pair of 0. Now we want to get rid of this 2 because it's kind of annoying, and no one likes annoying things. So let's get rid of it. Okay, so we're going to add green 2 to each side. Get rid of that. So now, dogs, you've got opposite of 4x, pardon my French, equals negative 12. Sorry, pardon my French. Okay, anyway, so now we're going to have to divide by 4. So 12 divided by 4 is 3, and then this divided by 4 is 1. So opposite of x equals 3. Sorry, I meant negative 3. Okay, I have our next problem, our third problem, okay, is negative 3x plus 5 plus x equals 2x plus negative 3. So first you're going to want to take away these two. They make a pair of 0. And then you want to get rid of that guy, so you're going to have to add a white to each side, also a pair of 0. And now we want to get rid of this guy. So we're going to bring in a green 5 on each side. So that would cancel each other out. So now you would have the opposite of 4x equals negative 8. So if we divide that by 4, you'd have the opposite of x would equal a positive 2. And then you also need to understand that x would equal negative 2. There you go.